Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's Thursday, December 31st, 2020. Y'all have any plans for this evening? Some fun plans? Yeah, neither do I. Stuck at home. It's cold and it's raining. It's going to be that way tomorrow, but I'm going to make the final soap of 2020 and get to be with you all, so it's not all bad. So, what the plan this evening is going to be actually a very simple soap. I'm going to be fragrancing it with another one of the ones Lisa gave me. It's called Sunkissed Cocoa from Nurture Soap. Smells pretty daggone good. It has some citrus notes along with some chocolatey notes. This does discolor. When I have a fragrance oil that discolors, I don't try to cover it up. I don't put it in bright colors that I know will darken. I just go with it. I usually do some sort of brown or black or both, and an accented color that's unscented. I'll be doing almost all brown, darkening it with just plain generic brand cocoa powder, as well as the fragrance. And then I'm going to have, for the Sunkissed, Brambleberries Fizzy Lemonade. So I'm kind of going to go along with the theme. I'm going basically cocoa powder to make this brown. That's the cocoa. It's going to be kissed with a little bit of yellow. Let's go ahead and get started. It's going to be a pretty simple pour. So I will, like usual, bring this to just a very, very light emulsification. This allegedly behaves very well, and all the users said it behaves very well, and I'm soaping it just a little over 100, so I know for some people that's really warm. That's kind of when I normally soap. It should be okay. We'll see. That's all I'm going to do for the moment. I will stickle in some more. And for the Sunkissed Cocoa, I'm going to pour off approximately 500 milliliters. Basically halfway fill this cup. About halfway. And that is good enough. Yep. That also allows me to have a stronger concentration of the fragrance, because this Skin Safe maximum usage is 6%, but I only have a 4-ounce bottle, which isn't enough. Pouring that off will allow me to have the maximum Skin Safe in the brown. So it has a nice strong scent. So let's put our cocoa powder in. This won't turn it very brown at first. This actually has to gel and then sit exposed to the air and oxidize. Kind of like a darkening fragrance. Not dispersing very there. Now they're starting to break up. Now they're breaking up. It's a little more stick blending than I wanted to do in that. Now let's get our yellow ready. This will be unscented, remember. since I hand stirred that a little, or stick blended that a little more than I wanted, it's still holding up well, but I'm going to be real cautious with my fragrance since I haven't used it. And hand stir it in. But actually the batter's holding up really well. So as long as the fragrance doesn't misbehave, which supposedly it does not. And this will put it at 6%, which is the maximum skin safe that you can use for this fragrance. So I have carefully measured this out to have a skin safe amount of fragrance in it. And we are at a nice pourable consistency, so I'm going to leave this and pour it. I'm going to put most of it in and drizzle some of the yellow in. Forgot to have a spatula ready. Sorry about that. So just clean this out. Do another pour of the yellow. Just do some stripes on the top. Nope, that's not going to work. That's not going to work either, so you know what? I'll take my spoon and spoon texture the top. And I think that's as good as top gets. But I do believe the inside will look a lot nicer. I'm finished touching it, so I'm going to take my gloves off. We will spray this with some rubbing alcohol. Come back in about 5 minutes and spray it again. I'll put it to bed and we'll see what it looks like in the morning. So, top is in, well, anyway. I think the inside will look a lot better, especially when it turns really dark and oxidizes. So I'll see y'all tomorrow for the cut. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year. Bye. Okay, I know you aren't going to believe this, but 10 hours later, this thing's screaming, "Get me out of here, I'm ready." And it is. I mean, I see my hand in the reflection. It's so slick and shiny. It came out effortlessly, so let's cut it. Now this one, if you didn't watch, I used cocoa powder, so you can see this part's really dark. I'm kind of guessing the inside is going to be light. Cocoa powder usually is, and then it darkens once it's exposed to the air. You're going to find out with me. So let's take a peek. Yeah, quite a bit lighter inside, but it will darken. Can you see how you can kind of see that ring around the bottom, around the edge? That's what it's going to eventually look like. So, let's bring the log over and start cutting on it. Yeah, you can definitely see the ring around the edge, and that's usually what happens with cocoa powder. So this will get really dark, and I'll take some pictures later. But this is what I wanted. Since the fragrance darkened, I just decided to go with it. It's called Sun-Kissed Cocoa, so it's going to be majority brown, kissed with a little yellow, kissed by the sun. This is exactly what I planned. Pretty simple. And I'll cut the other one off camera, and I'll get a few pictures so you can see what it looks like as it darkens. But yep, that's pretty much what I planned. Sun-Kissed Cocoa. So everybody, Happy New Year. It is officially January 1st, 2021. Thanks everybody. I'll see you.